Welcome. The following video briefly explains how to visualize and extract results after all of the information has been inputted and calculated in the cloud-based software. Once all of the project information is ready, users can proceed to obtain and compare the environmental input of different alternatives. At the main page of the project, once each alternative has been completed, the software will display the total CO2 equivalent emissions, be it in tons or kilograms. This is based on the functional unit defined by the user. For stage-specific or category-specific results, users must go down into the graph section. Here, we can analyze results based on the A, B, C, and D stages. For this particular example, we can see that most of the emissions are related to material manufacturing and maintenance activities. Some emissions are due to transportation activities, while the least contributing factor are construction activities. If the classification boxes were filled when inputting the different materials and processes, users can go to the Element tab to have the environmental impact of each of these categories. For example, in here, asphalt category makes up most of the CO2 equivalent emissions across both options. If users would like to visualize data as a table, you can go to the right corner and select View Data Table. This will input a table at the bottom of the plot. All of the previously mentioned results can be exported as images, CSV, Excel, or table formats. For this, while visualizing the required results, go to the top right corner of the plot. Click on the three small lights icon and select the desired format to be exported.